Today we're going to be reviewing the Lumberjack TS254SW. It's the 10-inch folding table saw. So, how are lads and lasses? Let's get marking. Now, this is the Lumberjack TS254SW 10-inch folding table saw. It's a bit of an upgrade for my one house table saw. That was just my first table saw I actually bought. But I wanted something which extends a little. So let's get this bad boy open. First time opening it. You know, I bought this out of my own money, so didn't get it from Lumberjack themselves. So first off, right on the top we have the vacuum hose for the dust extraction, and to be honest, it looks like it comes all complete. But I'll put these boxes down, put these sides down, and let's have a look. Right, just cut one side down, and I think that is part of the fence. I'm not sure. I'll put that one side. And there is one screw that's loose. So I'm not sure what that screws off. We have the fence, which is on one side. There's the fence. Now I just need to figure out how to open it up. Pause the video here, figure out how to get it up, and if by magic, next time you see it, it'll be up. You've got two knobs here, that one. You've also got one down here. Alright. These both need to be locked into place like that, and then you can actually open the table up. And you can open the table up like that, and then the lock into place, and then that's the table up. Stands a bit higher than the other one. It is a bit unsteady, but I think that's just my shop floor. Maybe pull them out a bit more sturdy. Right, so obviously with the table saw rope, now with many of these budget table saws, the top seems well, on the budget ones, the tops seem very very thin metal, bit like that one. But this one actually feels quite sturdy. I don't know if it's any thicker than this one, but it feels a lot better. The insert, the blade insert, this is actually surprisingly metal, which, you know, I think it's brilliant. Because on my last table saw it was plastic, and it was dipping down in the middle. Probably nice to fix, just make my own wooden one. I just didn't want the hassle of making a wooden one. But I like this one. There's one screw there. Take the screw off. Anyway, can't find a screwdriver. Looks like one of my kids have went and taken it. But yeah, anyway, that's metal. Got a screw there. Take that off. So it'll give you access. It'll give you access to the blade. Right, well, the only screwdriver I actually found was the impact driver. So just hold up. Right, that obviously lifts off. As you can see, so we can get you in closer. Not a bad size arbor on it. You've got an adjustment down here. You can see, you know, you quite a bit hand clearance. Lift that up, and you can adjust the riving knife. You can adjust the riving knife down or even up. I'm not quite sure about that gap, you know. So I just might get down there. Let's see. And then you obviously have the adjustment for your bevel cut and raising the blade up. You can also push it in to get your finer adjustments, and then lock it into place. And as to rise your blade. Now, I'm not sure about this. I tend to like my riving knives. Dead on center. So I don't know if that's a bit bent or what. Let's see if I can, you know, get that straight. They're being damaged in posting, or it might just be the adjustment on it. See if I can lock it down, see if it goes straight. There we go. That's pretty much straight. And that's where the cable storage goes. You got two little hooks there for the cable storage. These are the transportation wheels. It is a job site table saw, so it can be put down. These were the knobs I was telling you about, and picking these to get your legs up. And you've got two on the back as well, that one and that one. What I like about this table saw is the table extends. There's a little lever here. You pull that up like that, and it extends. Now, big space here. You can put like a router table in here, which I'll be doing. but also you've got plenty of space to cut sheet materials. And also you've got the fence. Now the fence is pretty good, quite heavy. Now if the fence has got a little bit of a wobble when you first try it, there's a little knob here. You turn that and it'll tension the spring inside, so then you don't have the wobble. Now we're going to test the fence to see if it's straight to the miter slot. Now to do that, we're going to bring the fence up close, and this method is free. It's something I learnt, easy to do, and yeah, free. So I'll put the fence on. Now if your fence goes out slightly like that, as it will do, push here, then it becomes straight, then lock it down into place. Then get your finger, put it in the miter slot. Now be careful because there may be sharp edges, and then just run your finger along, and it's straight to the miter slot. The tool saw also comes with miter gauge. It's made of aluminium. This part's made with plastic. I like this one because it's made of aluminium. I like this part here because it runs nice and smooth in the miter slot. You've also got your little knob here. You turn that, and then you can do your angles for your bevel cuts. Yeah, not bad. To end the video here, please subscribe. It will help us loads. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any videos I release. Really do apologise about the quality of the video. First video, I will get better. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.